What's going on, guys? So I wanted to give you a quick update in terms of what I'm seeing in the market. It looks like today is going to be another rough day. You're seeing some declines, largely because inflation is kind of a big culprit. You have pending rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, meaning they're going to increase interest rates, which they have to do in order to tame inflation. The debate is whether or not they're doing it too much or doing it too little. Nobody really seems to know. But one thing that's really true that's interesting right now is that you're entering into a new era of how finance is being done. You're entering into a new regime of investing. And a lot of people who are, under the age of maybe 30, 35, you never really were exposed to a time where you had this concept called time value of money. You came up most likely during an era where interest rates were nearly zero. The Federal Reserve pushed interest rates down so low that it was ridiculous. You were encouraged to take a lot of leverage. I hear a lot of brothers and sisters on the internet basically saying, you should borrow, and borrow at 1%, 2%, 3, 4, 5%, and then go and invest that money like crazy because you're going to flip your money really fast and all this other stuff. I think that era is over, and a lot of pain is going to occur as a result of that. When I came up, there was a concept called time value of money, where we didn't assume interest rates were close to zero or very low. You assumed interest rates were going to be high or reasonably high, that they were going to reflect the risk of the investment, things like that. You couldn't do things that you could do now, for example, like start a business and lose money for many years and still have a valuable business. A lot of companies are sort of exist that way. So I would encourage you to just kind of keep your eyes and ears open, make long-term investments rather than short-term. Don't be surprised if the market keeps dropping, because what's happening as I'm seeing this is that you've been living on a bubble. And a lot of this market has been pretty much kind of living on this prayer. And this bubble is really busting, and it could bust further than you expect. I'm holding, some stocks. I made some investment in copper today that I told you guys about. The price of copper is expected to double by the year 2025. So I went ahead and made my investment. I'm just going to hold it and just wait it out. But you got to be really careful because this is a tricky market. So I'll keep you guys posted. Go to BoyceWatkins.com. You should feel free to join us at the All Black National Convention. We do all kinds of stuff related to wealth and family and politics and everything else. So I hope to see you there in Charlotte, North Carolina, October 28th. So have a good day, everybody. I'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.